Venus, the hottest and weirdest planet in our solar system. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system, Venus. But don't worry, I won't just hit you with boring facts. Let's make it fun, exciting, and full of mind-blowing details. So, buckle up, and let's blast off to Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin, but trust me, this planet is nothing like our home. It's like the evil twin, if Earth were a superhero. Let's start with size. Venus is pretty similar to Earth, just a bit smaller. It's often called Earth's twin because of that, but don't get fooled by its looks. Its surface is a super hot 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than a pizza oven. Way hotter than a pizza oven. No wonder it's the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. Now, let's talk about Venus' atmosphere. It's like a super thick blanket made of clouds, trapping heat and creating a greenhouse effect that makes it feel like a sauna, without any air conditioning. So, if you were to land on Venus, which, by the way, is nearly impossible, you'd be dealing with crushing pressure, toxic clouds, and a temperature hot enough to melt lead. Not a great place to vacation, huh? But wait, there's more. Venus has crazy weather. Imagine this, winds that can reach up to 200 miles per hour, faster than a hurricane. And if that wasn't enough, Venus experiences volcanic eruptions. Yep, this planet is active with hundreds of volcanoes, and some may even still be erupting today. Okay, so Venus doesn't sound like the nicest planet to visit, right? But guess what? There's a cool mystery about Venus that scientists are still trying to crack. You see, Venus has no moons, and we don't know exactly why. It's kind of like the one planet in our solar system that's a bit of an oddball. Venus has a backward rotation. It spins in the opposite direction of most planets. So, if you were standing on Venus, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Bizarre, right? The distance from Earth to Venus varies because both planets orbit the Sun in elliptical paths. On average, Venus is about 25 million miles away from Earth at its closest approach, which is known as inferior conjunction. However, when Earth and Venus are on opposite sides of the Sun, at superior conjunction, the distance can be as far as 162 million miles. So, depending on where the two planets are in their orbits, the distance can range quite a bit. Here's a fun fact. Even though Venus is so hot, scientists are still studying it to learn more about climate change here on Earth. They think Venus went through some kind of climate disaster, and understanding what happened might give us clues about our own planet's future. Alright, before I wrap up, I have a challenge for you. What would you do if you could visit Venus? Let me know in the comments below, whether it's surviving the heat or just trying to take a selfie with a volcano. If you enjoyed this space adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me for more out-of-this-world videos. Make sure you stay tuned for even more fun facts about space. See you next time, Space Explorers.